Alright, so my name is Vockel, and I ordered the Lasfit lights for my 2014 Silverado. So far, it's really nice packaging, as you can tell. I ordered let's see which ones these are. These are the low beams for my truck. Sorry, it took me a minute there. Turn signals, and then another set of turn signals. I didn't do switchbacks, I just went with amber the way I want to build my truck. I decided amber would be more the color I want to do. So I needed 4 of them, got 4 of them. There's those, and then I got high beams. These are the high beams for my truck. Alright, we're going to unbox the low beams first. And so far, it's really high quality. I've ordered some stuff from Lasfit before and I've been impressed with all of it, so figured, and I just barely bought this truck, so figured I gotta put some LEDs in it. So far it's really high quality. Oh my, they even send you a little pair of gloves. And product manual, tell you basically how to install them. It's not very hard, we'll get to that in a minute. But these are them. Nice in foam and everything. Really high quality, little cooling fan on them. Yeah, those are impressive. Okay, so now we'll move on to the high beams. Again, very high quality box, very high quality packaging. More gloves. I think that's because you're not supposed to touch the chip, the LED chip. And here we got some spare O-rings, so if you put them in there and they're all loosey-goosey, throw one of these on there, good to go. Same thing, product manual, how to install them. And then these are the high beams, same, really high quality, bigger cooling fan on them. Yeah, these things are sweet. And then here we have, over here, we've got the turn signals, which it looks like these are just normal, still really high quality. These come out too, and these are really beefy, high quality, because these have a chip in them, so you don't get no hyper flash. I think that's really annoying, so that's a plus. As you can see, we turned all the lights off. We're down here at our shop, and I got so excited to install these. I have help with somebody filming, so I'm just gonna turn all the lights are off. It's pretty dark in here. We're gonna do a little comparison. So right now, these are the halogen bulbs that are in my truck, stock from factory. They've been in here for I don't know how long, but we're gonna turn these on and you can kind of get an idea for how not bright they are at all. And those are high beams too. Yeah, halogens, yeah, they're not very bright at all. So again, low beams, high beams. There you have it. So as far as install goes on this 2014 Silverado turn signals, they're just on the very right side of the headlight, just right here. Those are the high and low beams. It's right here, top one, and then the bottom one right down there. Pretty simple and easy to get to. Here we're gonna demonstrate the turn signal before and after. So this side is just stock halogen turn signals, as you can see. Pretty dim, not that bright. And then over here, got the Lasfits installed. They are twice as bright. Beautiful. So we got the turn signals all installed, and we just did them by leaving on the grill and everything on. I like doing it that way. I don't like taking the whole thing apart and doing all that. You can get to everything. We just had to take the air box filter, or the box that holds filter, off. Really easy. Take that off and then just reach your hand. This is the passenger side. Just reach your hand down in there and top and bottom, and you can find them really easy, and they make a difference, like stupid amount of difference. And they're really easy to install, and they have a certain way, so you just plug it in, click your unlock button on your truck. If it don't light up, pull it out, switch it around, and then they work beautiful. And they are bright, very bright. Okay, so we're back on the driver's side, and again, really easy. So to your top right here, this one right here, that's your low beam. Bottom, that's your high beam. These dust covers, just spin them. It says on them open and close right there. They'll just pop off, and then we'll show you the rest. So I found too on this truck that to get to the high beam, unplugging that plug right there, it makes it way easier, and it's really easy to do.
Can I just do this side?
Yeah, go for it.
You can just say the same thing on the other.
Yeah, so we got the low beam out on this side. Again, really simple, just the quarter turn comes right out. There's the stock halogen beam. She's a little warm right now. They get hot, so just be careful. But those come out, and I'll show you how these plug in. So as you can see right here, driver's side, got the low beam in. Nice, perfect, beautiful, clipped right in. They turn on, and I'll tell you what right now, just the little bit I've been looking at them, they are bright. You cannot look at them. Passenger side, same exact thing, dust cover. And you just take the halogen one out, slide that baby in, and twist it back into its spot, turns on. Show you guys what they look like. Oh yeah, much better than the halogens. Here you have this side, still getting her all twisted in. Yeah, so far this is a world of difference, and we're indoors with all the lights on. Beautiful. Okay, y'all, now we're moving on to the high beams, which is just the bulb lower down there. Like I said, I've already found that it's easier just to unplug that main plug right there. It's really easy to get to. Really, it'll make your life a lot easier. Same thing, dust cover comes off, pop the old bulb out, put the new one in, twist it back in, you're good to go. Same thing just on that other side. As you can see, there's where that high beam's gonna plug into right there, that little pigtail. Goes right into that slot. Let's grab it and throw her in, and then we'll look at them. Okay, we got the passenger side, driver's side high beam in. As you can see, that O-ring, so they give you the extra baggy O-rings right here. Mine, so this is the stock halogen bulb. The one that was on the Lasfit one already was this nice red color. They looked about the exact same. Put it in, it ain't going anywhere. It's nice and secure, and it's aligned up and down, which is the way you want them. So then it gives you a clear view out onto the road. So everything's good there. So we're all done with the install. It's really easy. It took me just a little bit longer. This is my first time doing this truck. Like I said, I bought this truck maybe like a month ago, so I haven't had it for very long. But there's the turn signals. As you can see, they're stupid bright, high, low beams. Like, that's ridiculous. And we're still indoors. Here in a little bit, I'm going to do outdoors at night with all the new LEDs in, and then we'll be good to go. Here we are still inside. Just turn the lights off again, and oh my God, that's crazy how bright those are. They have little cooling fans on them. You can hear them. Yeah, those are absolutely perfect. Wow. Like I said, after this, get a little nighttime shot for you guys, and then we'll be good to go. Here we have, everybody's been waiting for her, the outside shot. She's looking fresh, looks so good. These LEDs are so bright. High beams on now. Turn signal's looking good. This thing is stupid bright. They look so good. Here's what everybody waits for, the inside. Low beams, high beams. They're nuts. Thank you, Lasfit. Hopefully this video helps.